Item: SCP-825. Object Class: Safe. Special Containment Procedures: at least 2 Foundation members must be present for any interaction with SCP-825. 1 member must be designated monitor and remain at least 2 meters from SCP-825 at all times. If accidental application occurs, the monitor should notify the security team. The monitor must not attempt removal of SCP-825 without supervision. It is recommended that test subjects should not have SCP-825 applied for more than 180 minutes. Any experiment involving longer application must have security team present for removal, as test subject may behave unpredictably. Description: SCP-825 is a standard-sized helmet of medieval design. The degree of wear is consistent with this dating, provided SCP-825 has been well cared for. This is entirely probable, as it was liberated from data expunged. Despite frequent use, data expunged. How long the group had been in possession of SCP-825, as the only surviving members were not present when data expunged, and has itself been designated SCP. Efforts are still in place to track down anyone else involved in the incident. SCP-825 has the property of inducing visions in any who wear it. Testing indicates that SCP-825 does not need to be worn on the head, but that insertion of any part of the body within the volume enclosed by the helmet will count as application. Upon application, the subject will be unable to move any part of their body below the neck until SCP-825 is removed. During application, the subject will be unable to see, feel, or otherwise sense their surroundings, with the exception of sounds which the subject will hear as muted and distant. The subject will also experience highly convincing visual, auditory, olfactory, gustatory, tactile, and nociceptive hallucinations. The form and nature of the hallucination varies depending on subject. The only common element is the disturbing and unpleasant nature of the hallucinations, focusing on the subject's phobias and neuroses.